Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video, we will see how we can easily download and install AVAST Antivirus on Windows 10 operating system. So we will install the free version. Let's go to the browser. I am using Chrome. You can use any browser. Type AVAST Antivirus. Press enter. Here is the official website avast.com. Click on it to download. Now you will reach the official website. We will also add this link in the description. Now you can see free download is visible. It's also available for Mac, Android and iOS, so it is cross-platform. I'll just click on free download to download it. Now the download started on the left below, you can see. Now let's double click to install. Now you can see by installing, you will agree to the license agreement. Click on install. Herein, you can uncheck them, install Avast Secure Browser or make Avast Secure Browser my default browser. I'll just uncheck it, I don't need them. Click on install. Now the installation started on the right. You don't need to turn off your computer, just wait for it to finish. So guys, now you can see the shortcut created on its own. Now click on continue. If you want to run your first scan, you can click on here or you can just click on close. Now you can see it is installing, 45% completed. Now the status is visible here. Protection. After clicking, you can just scan. You can choose your own core defenses. You can also find network issues, and the rest one with the lock sign is premium version. You can pay for this, but I guess free one will work. In our case, click on privacy. You can see these are also paid one. If you really want to make your system secure, just go for the paid version. So these lock signs are basically for paid version. Now click on performance. Herein you can disable Avast notification. So this is a very good feature. Software updater. If any software needs updation on your system, the same will get updated here. So WinRAR, Adobe Reader, Flash Player VLC, we need to update it and it has notified us in this section. Let's wait for this. So guys, you just need to wait for this to complete till 100%. That's it. After that, you just need to click on protection and just click on virus scan and start running your first scan. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.